BuildFire tutorial for beginners, how to build no-code applications using BuildFire. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can build native mobile applications for your business without needing to code a single thing using the help of BuildFire. BuildFire helps you get started by choosing a template and giving your app a name. You can build with their easy-to-use visual drag and drop type of editor and publish your app on Android and iOS applications. This will become your all-in-one application which can be used for multiple different use cases, from e-commerce to services to general booking apps. So to get started, head on over to buildfire.com and then click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, you're going to sign up for BuildFire. So to get started, first off, we can proceed with choosing our template that we want to use to build our application, and then later on proceed with our actual sign up. So I want this to be a simple application that is going to be maybe describing our services, or a community-based application. So on the left, we have a few different categories, and I want to go with small business over here, smart gadgets, a bunch of different clothing, healthy paws, dental care. So we have a few different options, but you can skip this if you want and proceed directly into their sign up. You're going to proceed on and enter a website address. Now I'm going to go on to Google Sites over here, and I'm going to take one of my sample websites and use that as my website that I need to enter, because if you don't have a live website yet, you can easily use this website that you can create using Google Sites as a reference website till you have published and created your own site. So I'm just going to be clicking on publish over here and then clicking on view. And now I'm just going to head on over and enter my site address. And then we're going to enter our company email like so, password, and then agree to their terms of service, and then click on create account. Once you do that, you're going to log onto your mailbox. So we're gonna head on over into our mailbox over here like so, and then we're just gonna verify our email address, and you have to do this within your first few minutes. So 0996 is our code, and then once we've done that, we are going to be led into our BuildFire dashboard. So you guys can see this is how quick and easy it is to get started and to sign up for BuildFire. Now once we have completed our sign up, this is what our basic dashboard is going to look like. So currently you get a 30-day free trial, and then after that you can upgrade. On the left you have your plugin, and on the top left you have your general dashboard. Then you have your app builder. Keep in mind that when you're actually looking to launch your application and make a fully functional application, you would need to upgrade. Then you can preview this on mobile devices. You have your navigation, your branding, media library, as well as user access, which you can also alter from here. This allows you to build a fully functional application that has all the relevant permissions that it's going to need. You have a purchasing option, as well as push notifications, users, and then analytics. Then below that you have your general settings. So we're gonna head on over and we can go ahead and click on create application, and we can build a brand new application if we want, but I'm gonna get started from here. So let's say I don't want a blank template, I want something that is, well, a little bit of pre-built. So we have this glow up template which looks nice, so I can click on this and then proceed with building. Now sometimes when you're using templates, it can become a bit complicated because they already have all the relevant information. So when you're getting started from a blank slate, you can go on ahead and view the details, and this is going to be your home folder, which is going to basically keep all of your app information. So starting off, you guys can see you have your images. You also have stock images that you can use, as well as AI images. So I'm going to search for model over here within stock images, and once I do that, I'm going to insert the image. Now from here, I want to get started with building. So over here we have insert text, we have display all images, and I want to add one image in order. The speed is still. And then from here, I can go into the design element to further add the designs. And you guys can see we have some pre-built layouts that we can utilize as well. So you guys can scroll ahead and view some of their pre-built sections. Now I'm going to click on the plus icon and I can add another plugin. And I want this to be a free plugin, and you can add your Shopify plugin, image gallery, and other types of plugins to help you in building your application and to make your application fully functional. Now, once I I've done that, I want to go ahead and go into my media library, or no, not in my media library. I'm going to go back into my simple editor. I'm going to close this out. And we are going to go with insert, and I want to maybe insert a layout. Then we're going to select the layout preset that we want to connect. So I'm going to go with something that is pretty simple and clean like this. And I'm going to click on insert over here. And you guys can see it has now been inserted. Now, if I don't like the image up top, I can remove that from here. And from there, I'm just going to remove blank, and I'm going to add the business name. So let's say it's Spencer Salon like this. Then if I want, I can add a logo here. I'm going to remove the title and section from here. And this is just like this image section. And I can click on over here, click on the image, click on upload image to upload my own images. So I'm going to use one of my own branding logos. And once that has been uploaded, I'm going to select it, save this, select, and then click on insert, and I will insert it over here. And then below that, I'm going to add a little bit of text. So handle all of your salon needs in our app, get exclusive deals and happy hours. And then within this, I have this button. So I'm going to click on the button over here to further edit. And then I'm going to click on add feature, and we can add a plugin for this as well. But if you do not want to add, a separate booking section, you can also edit this. So we can click on over here within the layout. I'm going to click on load all features, and then we can remove this button as well. Happy hours. And I'm just going to place my cursor here like so. And this is what it's going to look like. Now I can proceed with further building my app. So I'm just going to go on ahead. And then on the top, I can proceed with adding more images or elements. But I'm going to go into design to view some of the design elements, and so on and so forth. You can keep on building. And once done, you can click on upgrade to actually upgrade your account and publish your app. Keep in mind that you are not able to publish your app completely for free. To get started with publishing and using your fully functional applications, you do need to upgrade to either the standard, growth, or scale plan. Their plans start at $209 per month and go up to $549. Now on their standard plan, you have all the core features, including your own app, which is available on mobile and tablets, as well as account creation for your app users, customer support, custom branding, and more. You have access to all Boost plugins and one Accelerate plugin, and you can send upwards of 100,000 push notifications per month with 5 gigabytes of media storage. Now within the growth plan, you have the ability to monetize, which is something that a lot of people do appreciate within these applications. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.